If you want to learn this gold smoky eye look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this L'Oreal concealer and applying it on my eyelids. This will hide all the redness and darkness under the skin. Then to set my base, I'm using this BH Cosmetics Naughty palette and using this lighter nude tone shade and applying it all over my eyelids. This will help to make the eyeshadow glide on better. Then I'm grabbing this shade and applying it as a transition shade. I'm using a circular motion and going from inner corner to the outer corner. Make sure you use a small amount of the product and then build the color later. To darken my crease, I'm using this dark brown shade and applying with a small fluffy brush and going in from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm not going above that transition shade. Then to add some smokiness, I'm using this black shade and applying it mostly on the outer corner and building the color slowly. Then with a clean brush, I'm blending it so that it gives a smooth finish. Next, I'm going on with this gold shimmer shade and applying it with my fingers. This will give most pigment. Make sure that you do not go near the brow bone. Then I'm using this AOA Studio eyeliner, and today I'm going for a winged liner. I am deciding to go for a thin eyeliner, and I'm using small amount of the product and gradually building the color. Then I'm using this brown shade and I'm going to smoke my lower lashes. I'm using a flat brush and gently blending it out. I'm blending this shade mostly in the outer corner. Then for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Sky High mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Make sure that it's coated evenly. And this is the final gold smoky eye look. If you guys learned something from this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.